finally came to Alibagh, and we even got our rooms, and I'm in my comfy clothes. So anyways, I'm going to show you a room tour, and then I'll tell you how it is. So, when you start from the starting, it is like that. That's the door. That's the seating area, I guess. Okay. I love this type of door. What's behind this?
I know that.
Oh, there's nothing behind us. Anyways, when you go here, we have 2 rooms. So, first, we got a suitcase. Don't mind that. But anyways, look at these. We have many more, but I can't show you because I can't reach. But anyway. So, I think most likely we have a bed. It's very comfy. Blinding. A mini fridge. Look at that. It's a mini fridge. And then we have a TV. Okay. Anyways, moving on to the second room. It's inside it, I know, right? We have a table. We have blindings. We have another bed with a bedside table. Don't mind the mess in it. We just came. I don't know what this door leads to. Oh my god! This door leads to the front side of the whole entire thing place. We have 2 slides at that area. Here somewhere. It's gonna be a balcony or something. But anyway, moving on. The light switches are very confusing. These are the light switches. I mean, look up. That's it. You know, we only get like that much of space, and then we have the other person's room. So this is very tiny. Oh yeah, especially. We have a place of the bathroom here. Then we have a sink, a different type of sink here. Then we have a different room for a washroom. Toilet, I mean, like, excuse me, it's like this. It's like one room here, one room there. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna ask my whole entire family some questions and see what they actually think about this place. So, I have to find them. So, well, my father is taking some pictures of this place because it's very cool. So, I'm gonna show you, before I ask some questions, I'll show you some things around. It's very cool. Okay, there's some dogs. Look at that cutie pie. Anyway, there are millions of dogs. Then we have the beach side. See that? This beach side. We're gonna go there when it's sundown. So it's gonna be even more fun. But anyways, okay, I'm gonna go around that place where the swing set and all of the playground things are. It's very bumpy around this area. Okay, so anyway, it's very bumpy. I don't know why, but yeah, it's very bumpy. Oh my goodness. I barely fell, okay? So, there's a slide here, there's just sitting areas. Okay, I'm gonna slide with you guys. I hope it's fun for you. Okay. I'm so high. Okay, never mind, it's very dirty. It's super dirty. You know why I don't slide? I love sliding. Thing is, if it's dirty, I get so out of it. But anyway, we have different types of houses in this area. You know why? Because one house, it won't be this thing. In our room, which I just showed you, it's like a house, and then it's like that. And then I show you another one, which, since we have 6 people, we'll have it's an even number. So 3 here and 3 here. But we actually did 4 here and 2 here because like no one wants to be with my grandparents, sadly. But like anyway, okay. Moving on to the playground. I'm gonna slide in another slide. Right? I hope it's not dirty. I don't want it to be dirty. And it's also dirty. So anyway, wait, there's swings. I love swings. We don't have swings in our society. We live in a society. But actually, we don't have swings. This time we do. But it's not fully secured, but still, it's a fun swing. At least, whee! I love swings so much. I can choose it over my food. Oh, stop the swing. Stop the swing. Oh my goodness. Seriously? This is sand, by the way. I'm walking on sand. So there's like so much chance I can fall. There's a sweeping wing. Okay, I flew. Oh, this is even more relaxing. I don't know how. It's so relaxing. Ha. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna about to fall. It's so fun. I've never been to this place ever. Except my father has been to this place with like 36 people. Oh my goodness, I just stepped on sand. Wait, we have a little kiddie area. Okay, so like the kiddie area, it's like swings. For example, like people like this, that thing. That's just the kiddie area. I don't think that could be known as a kiddie area. It's not, I guess. Well, I'm gonna go meet my grandparents. If you guys want to come once again. Oh, can we surprise them from the back door? It's gonna be so fun. Oh man, they have the black things on. Even if we do. But it's fine. I'm gonna, oh my goodness, so pumpy. I just knocked on the door. I'm gonna go. Push it. Yeah, man, they found me. They saw me. Okay. So if they saw me, okay, wait. I'm gonna show you one. Such a good place. I love the city. It's a very cool place. This place is like a swing. It's like that, and then we have to swing. And then look, you can see it. You can see the beach. I don't think so, you guys can. But there's a beach. I'm gonna go and get to there type of place. And we have my grandmother sleeping. Wait. Anyway, we're back here. We're gonna go back to our house. It's so cool around here. Go back. I actually want to go to that beach, but I can't. It's an ocean. I just realized. Anyway, you can even swing here. Okay, I think it's time to question them. But half of them have went to the washroom. But anyway, I'm gonna ask my mom. So, mother, how do you feel about this place? How do you feel? How is it?
Lovely.
Nice.
Peaceful.
Peaceful. Any more?
Let's go on the beach. We'll find it even better.
Okay. Yeah, I also want to go on the beach, but like it had to wait. But anyway. Anyway, we have a mini fridge. I want to see what's inside the mini fridge. Oh, there's nothing inside it. Anyway. I can see myself. Oh, hi guys. You're so beautiful. Anyway, wait. I want to see what's in it. Oh my god. It's so dirty. I don't know why I saw that, but I did. I showed you all around the whole entire thing. I think so. But anyways. Oh, I'm so tired. It's so hot around here. You see that fan? It's still going, but it's not. That fan is not even helping. I cannot even get one air. Like, I need to turn on that AC. But we're already gonna go out to eat lunch. So I don't think so we need the AC right now. I want the AC. Anyways. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you liked this place. Do you guys see that? The lights were blinking. It was blinking. Anyways, I'll see you guys later in this whole entire video. Peace. Bye.